Virtual Fun Art. Web 3.
I'm going to show you what I think is the best bridging website for crypto. So obviously there's like a minefield of different apps you can use to bridge your currencies. But I always find myself going back to this particular website called Relay.link. And I don't know, it just seems to be able to do everything. So there's some other bridges which you'll find that won't do all different types of currencies. This one, it seems to offer everything. So what you do, you just if you're new to bridging, then the bridging is basically getting one currency from one network to another. So, for example, if you have Ethereum on the Ethereum network, sometimes you might need Ethereum on a different network. For example, Abstract. So if you need Ethereum on Abstract, you need a bridge. And yeah, please don't just try and send currencies across using wallet addresses, because I've done that before and you risk losing it. So you do need to bridge it. So yeah, basically converts it from one chain to another. And let's do that using my currency. So let's just enter a small amount just to show you. Yeah, let's just bridge roughly $1. And here we go to swap. And then it's going to get you to confirm a few things. So I'm using MetaMask, by the way. Yeah, I've been using MetaMask for a while. People actually say Ravi Wallet's quite good as well. Okay, that's been confirmed. That's that done. So it's gone over. So it says exactly what's happened. I've sent that and received that. Done. Let's show you in a bit more detail. If I click on here, as you can see, there is pretty much every chain going here. Yeah, very good if you're a power user and need to navigate different chains. Yes, so I think I had an issue. The reason why I used this in the first place, I think I needed to get Plume currency, and the other bridges just did not do that. So I was able to actually convert from Ethereum to Plume. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Just select whatever currency you want. I think these are, but I think this website's automatically put stars next to the common ones I use. So I commonly use Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Solana, or maybe they are just the most popular ones. I'm not sure, but I do use them quite a lot. So yeah, let's do another bridge. Let's bridge from, say, Ethereum to Base. And we want to get Ethereum on Ethereum to Ethereum on the Base network. And we just do that by, selecting as it says here. Let's send a small amount across. There we go. I mean, there will be faster bridges as well. I think that's the only issue. Is sometimes it takes a little bit longer than your usual bridge. But I think you're almost guaranteed to be able to bridge anything you want this way. And also there will be bridges for certain currencies where it's going to be cheaper to do that. I mean, you don't have to pay much on this. but you know, some might even be free. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on my favorite bridge. Yeah, hope you like it. I'll include the link for it in the description. Okay, I'll see ya.
Subscribe for more virtual fun art Web3 guides.